Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera crashing on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, so click on forward stop. If you want to fix this problem, again click on forward stop, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on apps. Click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app and click on data usage. Click on storage usage and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera crashing on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.